'Twas the night before Christmas, and throughout Barron space, every team kept things shining all over the place. The offices were buzzing with holiday cheer as deadlines wrapped up with the end of the year. Customer service assisted with kindness and care, ensuring each caller felt welcomed out there. Marketing crafted new stories so bright, helping our products shine merry and bright. Sales wrapped up orders with joy and delight, guiding our partners toward just the right light. Purchasing kept every part moving in flow, so products were ready and good to go. HR supported our teams with care, keeping Barron thriving everywhere. IT solved tech troubles with speed and grace, keeping our systems in a reliable place. Accounting tracked numbers steady and right, balancing our books as year-end drew tight. Engineering designed solutions so bright, ensuring our fixtures performed just right. Out on the factory floor, steady and true, our team built the lighting that guides people through. Quality checked every beam, watt, and glow, ensuring each product met standards we know. The warehouse worked quickly, merry and fast, getting shipments delivered right up to the last. Teams paused a moment to laugh and unwind, sharing the warmth only Barron can find. Leadership reflected on the work of the year, grateful for teams who bring holiday cheer. So from all of us here, as we turn out the lights, happy holidays to all, and to all shining nights.